to take it, use it to the best of our ability. The Jamaica Labour Party has been the only salvation for Jamaica. And so tonight, one of the pillars of the Jamaica Labour Party and its work is vested in the Ministry of Agriculture. He's not only the Agriculture Minister, the youngest man ever to hold such portfolio. He's the Member of Parliament for Southwest St. Elizabeth. And he's chairman of this area council. I want you to welcome Member of Parliament, Agriculture Minister, Floyd. Shower labor rights, St. Elizabeth labor rights. Today, I stand here as the chairman of Area Council 4, the most successful area council in Jamaica that is responsible for the parishes of Trelawney, St. James, Hanover, Westmoreland, and St. Elizabeth. In that area council, there are 16 constituencies, and all of them are represented by the Jamaica Labour Party. We know that where the West goes, the rest goes. And I tell them, we do it already. We are going to do it again. We are going to show them how the West was won.
Choose Jamaica. Vote for Labour.
The reason why we won the West is because some of the best MPs in Jamaica are in this area council. The Labour Party went into your communities and constituencies and chose people who live with you, who understand your issues, and who wake up every day to make your life better. And that is why we were able to win constituencies that we did not have for 30 and 40 years. So when them come with a man who never performed a Westmoreland and send him go another Trelawney, I talk about what him a gonna do. Tell him to over and do that already.
Labour rights.
When them come with a deportee from Hanover and carry him go Eastern Westmoreland, tell him anything he want to do. Garfield James can do that better. And when them come with a man who run well left St. Anne and find himself a Westmoreland, I tell you what him gonna do for the people of Westmoreland. Tell him if he couldn't do it for him born and grow, we will stick with Danny Lawrence. There is a clear difference between that side and this side. The people on the other side, they have no ideas, they have no vision. They are a quarrelsome bunch. All them focus on a propaganda and prank. But I tell them, we will not switch hospital building Dr. Tufton for scandal chasing Alfred Dawes. I tell them, we will not switch hotel opening at Bartlett for a man where I look for a seat like Wickham. And I tell them, we will not switch the rural busman Darrell Vass for plundering Philip Palwell. And I must tell you, we will not switch anybody for the vision the action, the nation building of Andrew Michael Holness. So they don't have the people and they don't have the plans. When I read what them say is a manifesto that can count as a manifesto, they say they are going to do a national irrigation plan. We have that already. And this government has put $10 billion to irrigation. They say they are going to build cold storage. We are do that already. This government has built cold storage in Manchester, in St. Elizabeth, in St. Mary. We are doing that already. And as our leader comes, I hear them say they were going to modernize fisheries. What that even mean? They have abandoned our fishers when they were government. It is the Labour Party that put fishing back on the map. We give them storage, we give them online platform, we give them wire, we give them boat, we give them engine, whether Lance's beer, whether White House, whether Galleon, whether Village beer, the Labour Party is the party for fishers. So, when we realize and me read them manifesto, it look like one of them picnic there when never come school and show up for the exam. So all them try to a copy. When me tell them say, all them attack, we are stepper. Catch up them up here, we are pepper. There is a lot in this manifesto for our farmers and fishers. We are going to do the first pension plan for farmers and fishers. A lot of you want to get involved in agriculture. You don't have any land. This Jamaica Labour Party government is going to put an agro park in every single parish. So if you want to farm, we will provide the land. And finally, we are doing a $3 billion program to help people go into protected agriculture. We are going to help you build a greenhouse so that you can farm and produce. So I say to you all, this election is about our future. This election is about our children. This election is about moving Jamaica forward. Do you want to go back to high crime? Do you want to go back to no focus on agriculture? Do you want to go back to tax after tax? We are moving forward. So we say, forward ever, backward never. Show our labor rights. Love you. God bless you.
We do so much already, now we do it more. We do it. Jamaica Labour Party, yes, we do it more.
Thank you. Thank you, Floyd. But you know, I hear Floyd say something a while ago, that them a move man from parish to parish. I have a name for them. We call them round robin. Labor rights. Let's welcome Minister of Transport.